please respond to 719 Josephine Street North. There's a general fire alarm sounding at Braemar Nursing Home. On-site call and key holders are pending. 719 Josephine Street North. Time is 18:17:07. Attention North Huron Wingham Fire, please respond to 719 Josephine Street North for a fire alarm sounding at Braemar Nursing Home. A general alarm reported by an alarm company. On-site call and key holders pending. 719 Josephine Street North. Time is 18:17:35.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Car 4.
Go ahead.
Car 4 acknowledges page for the wing station. Wing station will be responding shortly.
Roger, Car 4, acknowledge page and responding shortly, 18:18:01. Dispatch to North Huron Wingham Fire.
Go ahead, dispatch, this is Car 4.
Just an update from the alarm company. They were unable to reach anyone on site, but the key holder Archie is 5 minutes away and will be attending.
Roger that.
Fire dispatch, Car 2.
Go ahead.
Car 2, Car 4 responding.
Roger, Car 2 and Car 4 responding, 18:22:15.
Fire dispatch.
Fire dispatch, Engine 1 responding, Charlie, Delta +2 belted.
Roger, Engine 1 responding, Charlie, +2 belted, 18:22:40.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Ladder 2 responding, Bravo +2 belted.
Roger, Ladder 2 responding, Bravo, +2 belted, 18:23:20.
Dispatch, you can show Tank 4 responding. Alpha +1.
Dispatch, you can mark Car 2, Car 4 on scene. We have nothing showing. They are currently evacuating the building. Car 4 will be command and mobile.
Roger that. Nothing showing. Currently evacuating. Car 4, command and mobile, 18:23:58.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Engine 1 arriving on scene.
Roger, Engine 1 arriving on scene, 18:24:25.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Engine 6.
Go ahead.
Engine 6 responding, Gulf +2 belted.
Roger, Engine 6 responding, Golf +2 belted, 18:26:15.
Dispatch, Tank 4 on scene. Fire dispatch, North Huron in command.
Roger, Car 4 on scene, 18:26:58. Go ahead, command.
Yeah, we've spoken to the property owners and staff. They have it isolated to one wing. We will be investigating.
Roger that. You spoke with the property owners and staff. They're isolated to one wing and you're investigating, 18:27:17.
Command call, Charlie.
Go ahead, Charlie, command.
Could you assemble a crew off ladder 2 to make entry with an attic ladder so we can gain access into the attic?
Roger that. Charlie, command.
Go ahead, command, Charlie.
Have a crew entering with the attic ladder to inspect.
Roger that. Command call car 2.
Go ahead, car 2, this is command.
Command, I need assistance. I'm currently at the Bravo side of the building. They're having trouble evacuating the twin.
Roger that. I'm right here, car 2, if you need a hand. Fire dispatch, tanky, responding, car 3, long.
Roger, tank 8 responding, 183126.
Command, car 2.
Go ahead, car 2, this is command.
360, the structure complete, nothing to report.
Roger that. Car 2, call command.
Go ahead, command, car 2.
Can you get a confirmation that evacuation has been completed?
Yeah, roger that, stand by.
Command, calling entry 2. Go ahead, entry team 2, this is command.
We have checked attic access number 1. Nothing found. There is a lot of moisture and everything off the AC units and whatnot, just so you know.
Roger that. Check these, or attic access 1, nothing found. Moisture, yes. Lots of moisture.
We're going to get you out of here, okay?
Command, call Charlie. Go ahead, Charlie, it's command. We still have one resident inside the building we're attempting to extract. Roger that. One resident still in the building.
Command, call car 2.
Go ahead, car 2, this is command.
I can confirm, except the wing that the Charlie crew's on, is everybody's evacuated.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
Yeah, you can show that building has been evacuated. Could you also get EMS to come in for standby?
Roger that. Building's evacuated and requesting EMS for standby. I will notify them. 183620.
Command, call engine 6. Go ahead, engine 6, this is command.
Yeah, we're just coming past the lights on John Street. You want us to come in from the south or the north?
Just come in from the south on Josephine Street and stage behind ladder 2 or behind engine 1.
Copy that.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
When you contact EMS, could you just give them an update that we probably have like 40 or 50 residents sitting outside in the heat, so not sure if they want to have 1 or 2 units respond.
Roger that. I will advise ambulance. There are multiple residents outside in the heat. 1837.
Command, call Delta.
Go ahead, Delta, this is command.
You have one fire alarm that appears to be pulled right near the electrical room, Alpha Bravo corner inside.
Delta, can you say again?
Yeah, I'm just outside by the generator in front of the command unit. I've got a fire alarm that appears to be pulled.
dispatch, you can show engine 6 arriving on scene.
Roger, engine 6 on arriving on scene, 1838.55.
Fire dispatch, tank 9 responded, 1 belted.
Roger, tank 9 responding with 1, 1841.10.
Command, entry 2.
Go ahead and entry 2, this is command.
We have checked the second attic access in the public washroom. There's nothing showing, just high heat, about 120-ish.
Yeah, roger that. Just continue your checks of all the wings.
Yeah, roger that.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
After further investigation, we have found a pulled fire alarm in the zone that is alarming. We will be continuing our sweep of the building, and then we will be assisting with patient return to the facility after we confirm everything is okay.
Roger that. You've located a pulled alarm in the zone that is alarming. You're continuing the sweep of the building, and then we'll be assisting with patient returns to their units once everything is safe. 1843.55.
Dispatch, tank 8 on scene.
Roger, tank 8 on scene. 1844.29.
Tank 9, call command.
Command, this tank 9.
Tank 9, we have located the pulled fire alarm. I'm just going to get you to go to standby in Belgrade for now, and then I'll release you soon.
Roger.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead. Command, go ahead.
You can show Huron County EMS on scene.
Roger, Huron County EMS on scene, 1846.58.
Fire dispatch, you can show tank 8 returning to Belgrade for standby.
Roger, tank 8 returning to Belgrade for standby, 1847.35.
Command, call entry 2.
Go ahead and entry 2, this is command.
We have 0 readings on the multi-gas for air quality. We have 0 readings on the tick. We're just finishing up a couple rooms, and then all entry teams will be exiting.
Roger that. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
The entire sweep of the structure, we deem the cause of the alarm to the pulled fire alarm in the wing that the zone was alarming in. We will be assisting staff and EMS with patient return.
Sorry, can you repeat? The beginning of your transmission was clipped.
Yeah, roger that. After completing a sweep of the entire structure with nothing found, we're deeming the cause of the alarm to the pulled fire alarm in the zone alarming. FD&H will be assisting with residents return to their facility.
Roger that. After sweep roof of the building. You've determined the cause of was the pulled fire alarm, and now you're going to be assisting residents returning to the suites in their building. 1851-35.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Go ahead.
Yeah, you can show that all residents are back in the facility. Huron County EMS is leaving scene. North Huron Fire will be turning the property back over to the staff, and all units will be returning to station shortly.
Roger that. All residents are back in the facility. EMS is leaving scene. Fire is turning property back over to the staff, and all units returning to the station shortly. 1904-10.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Car 2.
Go ahead.
You can mark Car 2, Car 4, clear the scene.
Roger that. Car 2 and Car 4 clear of scene. 1909-10.
Fire dispatch, Engine 1.
Go ahead.
Engine 1, Tank 4, and Ladder 2 are all clear of the scene. Return to Wingham Station.
Roger, Engine 1, Tank 4, Ladder 2, clear and returning. 1910-08.
Ladder 2, your emergency lights are still on.